Hey guys, it's Wes at Animation Toolkit, and today we are introducing a couple of custom armatures that we made for our friends over at Studio 9 in Ireland. So Joe and his partner John, they contacted us and asked us to make two armatures for their latest crowd-funded project, Bovina Creamcracker Buttermilk. I hope I got that right. The project was great fun to make. We had a couple of armatures to make at scale. These armatures are quite big, and just by size comparison, the guys over there sent us a T-pose of their characters, which we printed out at scale. And then we took that scale drawing into the workshop so Mike could fabricate the armatures. Over to you, Mike.
Hi, I'm Mike Farn from Animation Toolkit. I've had the wonderful privilege of making these wonderful armatures for this fantastic project. Joints are all made of 10mm joints, 9mm joints, and even 12mm joints in the midsection. And the little technical difficulties with the feet, but it's always fun to make a nice little challenge like this.
So there you have it, two finished custom armatures, not without the problems and intricacies. With this one, for example, we had to fabricate some high stiletto style feet, which is always a bit of a problem for our armature makers. But I think Mike done an amazing job on this one, and I really hope that they stand up to the trials and tribulations of stop motion animation. Joe, John, good luck with the project. We can't wait to get these packed up and shipped off to you, and we can't obviously wait to see the finished animation. Good luck, and we'll see you soon.